awaiting what could be a major development in a story we've been following very closely on this show. The Penn State hazing case involving the horrifying death of this 19-year-old fraternity pledge. A judge could decide in the next few hours if his frat brothers will stand trial for involuntary manslaughter and other charges. And ABC's Lindsay Janis is here with the very latest. Lindsay, good morning to you.
Good morning, Dan. Later this morning, a judge will decide if 16 former frat members should go to trial or if some or all of the charges against them should be dropped. Prosecutors say they need to be punished for their alleged roles in the death of Timothy Piazza. But defense lawyers say this was an accident and these young men had no criminal intent.
The nurse brought me forward and told me to kiss him goodbye. It was hard. And that's what you think of when you close your eyes.
This morning, Evelyn and Jim Piazza are on pins and needles, awaiting the verdict of a Pennsylvania judge who says today will be the day he reveals whether or not more than a dozen Penn State frat members will stand trial in connection with the death of their 19-year-old son, Timothy. At the close of a preliminary hearing Thursday, the DA telling the judge the frat brothers acted like savages on the night Piazza fell headfirst down a flight of stairs following an alcohol-fueled hazing ritual at the Beta Theta Pi house this past February. No one called the police for 12 hours.
We have a friend who is unconscious. He hasn't moved. He's probably in an ambulance.
Prosecutors playing surveillance video from inside the frat house in court. They say it shows Piazza visibly drunk, falling down the stairs, then struggling and in pain for hours. And that frat brothers can be seen ignoring him, even hitting him, then trying to get rid of all the alcohol before police arrive.
The video shows them convening and talking amongst themselves, and when they finally get around to doing anything for him, about 40 minutes later, they're concerned about themselves.
But defense attorneys pushing back blame on the school for authorizing alcohol in the first place.
We just want to establish the fact that there was an individual there who was an advisor, and there was a permit for the consumption of alcohol that was issued by the Interfraternity Council, which is a part of Penn State.
Piazza's parents just pray something positive might come out of today's verdict.
Tim is, I've said this earlier, not just our son anymore. He represents every son and daughter of every family that has someone that they want to send to college that may want to participate in Greek life.
Since the incident, Penn State has implemented new Greek life restrictions, including stronger enforcement to prohibit underage drinking. During these pretrial hearings, it emerged that just a few minutes before Timothy Piazza fell down those stairs, university security guards actually showed up at the party and gave it the all clear.
Yeah, a lot of disturbing things came out of these hearings. I've spent some time with Tim's parents. If this decision doesn't go their way, I would imagine they're going to be very sad today.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, and many can't imagine it not going their way, but we'll have to wait and see.
Hi everyone, Michael Strahan here, and I want to thank you for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. Now, if you would like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, all you got to do is click on the right over here, okay, right there, to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thank you for watching.